What is up, techies? It's Fluffy back with another deep dive. Today, we are looking at a device that is trying to rewrite the rules of mobile photography. This is the brand new vivo V75G. Now, we all know the smartphone market is crowded. Every brand claims they have the best camera, the fastest processor, the longest battery. But Vivo is doing something different here. They are leaning so heavily into computational photography and artificial intelligence that this phone feels less like a camera and more like a digital production studio in your pocket. Over the past week, I have taken this thing everywhere from an exclusive NBA meet and greet to daily commutes. Today, we are going to unbox it, test its limits, and see if it actually delivers on its promises for consumers and creators alike. Let us get into it. Sliding off the lid, we are immediately greeted by the V70 itself. We have the golden hour colorway in the studio today, and I have to admit it is striking. Vivo used a specialized etching process here to create micron-scale particles on the glass. Visually, it gives you this beautiful sunset glow, but practically, it is a matte finish that rejects fingerprints like a champion. You can shoot B-roll all day and not have to aggressively wipe the back of the phone on your shirt every 5 minutes. Before I was tearing down gadgets for a living, I spent nearly 2 decades as a mechanical engineer in aviation and automotive manufacturing. So, when a brand talks about build quality, I look at the structural tolerances. The V70 is rocking a space-grade 6 series aluminum alloy frame. We are talking about a yield strength of 360 megapascals. They also managed to shrink the side bezels down to just 1.25 millimeters. But the most impressive engineering feat here is the dynamic floating camera module. Instead of a massive, top-heavy block of glass that makes the phone wobble on a desk, the bump is just 3.29 millimeters thick. It is a masterclass in packaging. Add in the IP69 water and dust resistance, and you have a device that can survive a sudden Manila downpour without short-circuiting your creative flow. Hardware is great, but let us talk about what this phone is actually built to do. Capture moments. The V70 is equipped with a 50MP ZEISS Super Telephoto camera. To really test this out, I brought it to the SM Mega Mall Vivo Concept Store for the exclusive meet and greet with 3-time NBA champion Danny Green. The place was packed. If you were stuck at the back of the room with a standard smartphone, you were getting a blurry photo of the back of someone's head. This is where the AI stage mode steps in. Using the periscope lens and an optimized 20x zoom, I was able to punch right through the crowd and get broadcast quality shots of Danny Green on stage. The AI works overtime here to sharpen edges, reduce noise, and balance the exposure between the bright stage lights and the darker audience. Danny told the crowd that to be a champion, you have to be persistent and consistent. The V70 embodies that consistency. It democratizes the kind of optical compression that used to require a heavy DSLR and a massive lens. For mobile creators covering live events, this level of reach and clarity is an absolute game changer. Now, Let us move from the hardware to the computational engine. If you are a travel vlogger or just someone trying to get a decent vacation photo, you know the struggle. You plan a trip to a beautiful island and the weather decides to give you a gray, miserable sky. The 570 features an AI Magic Weather Suite that is essentially a cheat code for reality. It uses semantic segmentation to identify the sky and the foreground. With one tap, you can swap that overcast gloom for a bright morning glow or a dramatic twilight sunset. It even adjusts the ambient light wrapping around your subject to make the edit look incredibly natural. And then there is the crowd problem. You finally get to that historic landmark and someone in a neon fanny pack walks right into your frame. The V70 has a localized content-aware fill that identifies passersby and removes them directly on the device. It mathematically reconstructs the background based on surrounding textures. It takes what used to be an hour of tedious Photoshop work and turns it into a 3-second task. The device also features composition correction, automatically straightening your tilted horizons. This phone is actively working to make sure you never post a bad photo again. Driving all of this AI capability is the completely revamped OriginOS. Vivo has focused heavily on what they call sustained smoothness. The interface is clean, utilizing these highly customizable flip cards on the lock screen that react to the angle of the device. We also get the new Origin Island, a context-aware capsule at the top of the screen that anticipates what you need. If you copy a meeting link, it instantly prompts you to add it to your calendar. Of course, all this AI processing requires serious power. The 570 packs a massive 6500 mAh BlueVolt battery. Using semi-solid battery tech, they squeezed incredible density into a thin chassis. You can shoot 4K video for 5 hours straight. When you finally do manage to drain it, the 90 watts flash charge brings you back to life in minutes. And for those worried about data, the new private space feature offers hardware-level isolation for your sensitive files. Secured by a brilliant 3D ultrasonic fingerprint scanner that works perfectly even if your hands are completely wet. Plus, Vivo is guaranteeing 6 years of security updates, which is massive for long-term consumer value. Welcome to my take. After spending a solid week putting the vivo V75G through its paces, from high-pressure press events to casual weekend shooting, it is time for the verdict. We are officially awarding the vivo V70 the techbeatph Gold rating. From an engineering perspective, balancing high-density silicon, advanced optics, and massive battery capacity within a thermally stable, thin aluminum frame is incredibly difficult. Vivo did not just succeed, they made it look easy. For the average consumer, this phone eliminates the friction of capturing memories. The AI tools step in to fix your lighting, straighten your horizons, and remove distractions, ensuring your photos look professional with zero effort. For mobile creators, the 50MP size telephoto lens and the sheer endurance of that 6500 mAh battery mean you can leave the heavy camera bag at home and still deliver high-fidelity content to your audience. The V70 is not just a smartphone, it is an intelligent, reliable production tool that respects your time and elevates your creative output. That is going to do it for this review, techies. If you want to see more deep dives into the tech that powers your daily life, make sure you smash that like button and hit subscribe. We are on a massive journey to hit 100,000 subscribers, and every single one of you helps us get closer to bringing you even bigger and better content. Let me know down in the comments. Would you use the AI Magic Weather feature? Or are you a purist when it comes to your travel photos? Until next time, keep creating, keep pushing the limits, and I will catch you in the next one.